Now, a question I get asked all the time is, what is the best way to iron a shirt if you don't like ironing? Well, as luck would have it, I've been sent this machine, which is an automatic ironing machine from a company called Scanovus, and it does exactly what it says on the tin. It irons a shirt automatically. Now, this is the shirt I'm going to demonstrate it with, and let's give it a bash. Now, unfortunately, this shirt is bone dry, and the best way to demonstrate the machine is with a shirt that's damp. So we're going to simulate some dampening of the machine of the shirt today. Hey presto. Now, the first thing to say is that the shirt needs to be buttoned all the way at the front, like that, and you put it on in a similar fashion to putting a small child's jumper on, like that. You then reach into the sleeves and pull out the arms. And then finally the head, or rather the neck. Fasten up the cuffs. And then just switch it on. It doesn't need to be heated up, it doesn't need to be prepared in any way, it's just good to go, so you just switch it on. Now, it is quite noisy, so what I'll do is I'll wait for it to inflate and I'll show you it working. You get these weights to hang around the bottom of the garment. And that helps to pull out the creases as it's drying. You can then give it a supplementary spritz like that once it's in place, and then we just wait 10 minutes. Now, I'm going to speed this bit up so that I'm not talking over it in operation, because it is a little bit noisy. So I'll speed this bit up, and then I'm going to show you the results and answer a few questions that I've had when I've demonstrated it in the past. Join me in a second. So there we are, a perfectly ironed and ready to wear shirt in 10 minutes on the ironing machine. Now, that is obviously only part of the story, because people, when I did that last time, came back with all sorts of questions and criticisms. Firstly, 10 minutes, I can iron a shirt in 3 minutes. I could have done 3 shirts in the time it took that machine to do 1. Yes, of course you can. Of course, you will be able to iron a shirt faster yourself with an iron. However, with that, it's doing it for you, and you can go and do something else. That's the first thing. While it's doing that, you can go and polish your shoes. You can go and get your trousers. You can sort out the rest of your outfit, whatever. That's the first thing. Your ironing technique may well be 3 minutes long, but that's not from a shirt straight out of the washing machine. You would still then have to dry it at some point, so it's going to take you longer than the 10 minutes. So it's not a direct comparison of the two things. It's also about convenience. Now, there are downsides to it. Firstly, as you heard, it's quite noisy. Doesn't matter to me because I like the convenience of it. It does take up a bit of space, so it's probably not something that you keep in your... If you want to keep it up all the time, then you'd want to put it in a back room somewhere out of the way. But as a gadget and for an occasional shirt, it's absolutely ideal. If you're the sort of person that wears a shirt on more than one day, then this is the ideal thing for freshening it up. You just do the same thing again, give it a spritz with the water, even with a bit of Febreze in it or something that's going to add a bit of scent. Put that in, freshen your shirt up, and it's good to go. So there's lots of positives to it. It's quite expensive. I'm not going to quote a price. You'll have to go to the Scanovus page or their website to get the details for your region. But yes, as an iron, I guess you would say it's quite expensive. But to my mind, I think it's worth it. Another downside, if you will, is you're never going to get a perfectly crisp collar the same as you would with an iron. That's always going to be best done with an iron. However, I'll fold it down so you can see the collar. It's not done a bad job. It's not done a bad job at all. It's not done a bad job. It's not perfect, but it's not. It's definitely a wearable shirt. So if you have any other questions, please fire them into the comments and I'll do my best to answer. The best thing to do though is to go to the Scanovus website or the Scanovus page. I'll put them in the description so you can find them. But I think all in all, it's a very nifty gadget. Let me know what you think and I'll see you next time. Take care.